As you may know, we recently put on some larger tires and are experiencing a little bit of rubbing. Let's go ahead and open the wheel wells with the Terrawagon Mondo Mudguard kit. Here we go. We're going to go ahead and start the new mud flap relocation from Agile Off-Road. You can do it with the wheel turned like this. Just finished the other side. It is pretty hard though. It really would help to take the wheel off. But my friend has my jack and I can't take it, can't lift it right now. Just a reminder, I've already taken the mud flaps off. I just need to remove the two screws holding the wheel flare. Next, use your 10mm impact driver. Carefully cut away the molding sealant. Take the screw tabs that were on the original piece of bodywork and place them on the Agile Off-Road bracket. You'll also take the supplied screw tab and put it on the other side. Holding the mud flap cover back with a bungee, go ahead and mark your bend line. Here's the most unnerving part of the whole experience. Hammer time. I really don't like hitting my van with a hammer. Time to install the new molding piece. New hardware for the bottom. Okay, time to put the mud flap back on, and this takes a little finagling and can be a little bit of a challenge. Once all your bolts are tightened, it's time to put the original body molding piece back on. And there it is, the completed Mudguard mud flap relocation bracket. Plenty of room for mud and snow. Time to get out on the trail.